Welcome to the introduction on the rise of remote work. The digital revolution is indeed changing how we work, isn't it? More and more, remote work is increasing as people seek flexibility and a better work-life balance. Online platforms are burgeoning with opportunities, and among these, data entry and transcription are particularly popular choices. These jobs are not only accessible, but also can be done from virtually anywhere. And let's not forget, these jobs are in high demand. Businesses across the globe need data processed and audio and video content transcribed, creating a wealth of opportunities for freelancers like you and me. Now, let's dive into the world of data entry and transcription, a world brimming with opportunities. Data entry primarily involves inputting information into spreadsheets, databases, or forms. Here, accuracy and speed are crucial. On the other hand, transcription is the art of converting audio into text. This could involve anything from lectures and interviews to meetings. For this, good listening skills and a keen attention to detail are essential. Many platforms offer these jobs. Upwork and Fiverr, for instance, are popular choices that connect freelancers with clients, offering a variety of projects. Moreover, specialized platforms like Scribie focus specifically on transcription, while Amazon Mechanical Turk offers a range of micro-tasks, including data entry. Moving on to industry leaders, let's talk about Scribie and Amazon Transcribe. Scribie has established itself as a popular platform for transcriptionists. It offers a clear path for beginners where you can start with short audio clips, and, as you improve, gain access to longer, higher-paying projects. Meanwhile, Amazon Transcribe uses automated speech recognition technology powered by machine learning to convert speech to text. This technology is constantly improving. However, while automated services are becoming more accurate, human transcribers are still very much in demand. They possess the ability to understand nuances in language and provide higher accuracy for complex audio. Section 4. Essential skills for success. Typing speed and accuracy are essential. Practice regularly to improve. Aim for at least 60 words per minute. Remember, accuracy is more important than speed. Good listening skills are crucial for transcription. You need to be able to understand different accents and transcribe accurately, even with background noise. Attention to detail is paramount. Every word and punctuation mark matters. Always double-check your work for errors. Section 5. Typing accuracy, the foundation of your work. Typing accuracy is essential for both data entry and transcription. Errors can have serious consequences. They can lead to incorrect data analysis or result in inaccurate transcripts. Practice is key to improving your accuracy. Use online typing tests and games, and focus on accuracy rather than speed. Over time, your speed will naturally increase. Use a comfortable keyboard and ergonomic setup to help you type more accurately and comfortably for longer periods. Section 6. Attention to detail, a non-negotiable skill. Attention to detail is crucial for success. In data entry, you must ensure data is entered correctly. In transcription, you must capture every word and nuance. Develop your attention to detail through practice. Proofread your work carefully and pay attention to the small details, such as punctuation, capitalization, or numbers. Use tools to help you focus. Noise-canceling headphones can minimize distractions, and text-to-speech software can help you identify errors. Section 7. Is data entry and transcription right for you? Consider your skills and interests. Do you enjoy working with data? Do you have a good ear for language? Are you comfortable working independently? Data entry and transcription offer flexibility. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, consider data entry or transcription. With hard work and dedication, you can succeed in these growing fields.